Okay, so let's look at some more foods, shall we? Number 3. So eggs. Eggs. Very universal, very common. From a chicken, egg. We can scramble it, we can make hard-boiled eggs out of it, we can use it for cakes, use it for most foods. There's a lot of foods we can use. Meatloaf, bread. Would you use egg for bread? Not really. Not really. But most foods, cake. Very common, very important. And fruit, a catch-all phrase for different kinds of things like apple, oranges, not banana. Banana's a herb, but fruit, with fruits and vegetables. Fruit like grape. Yes, grapes. We have grapes here, and grapefruit. Yeah. Technically, tomato is a fruit because the seeds are inside it. Yeah. And we have garlic. Ooh, garlic, like a little bulb, very much like onion, a small little bulb that eat raw if you want. Why not? Or slice it with a food, slice it and prepare it with the food. Garlic, very good. Has a very poignant smell to it. Gives you bad breath. And gherkin, gherkin, what a weird food, like this, like a pickle, really. It is a pickle really, but it's like this long, pimply green thing. I used to not like them years and years and years ago. Now they're okay. Not something I would, actively go for, not something I would search to eat, but now they're okay. Gherkin, pretty nice. And grapefruit. Ooh, grapefruit, what a weird, strange looking fruit. Very, very strong flavour. Very citric. Very like a lemon, like orange. Citric. Citric, very, very strong fruit flavour. It's healthy, no doubt, but what a blast of flavour. But grapes, grapes, beautiful. Grapes. What we got? We got green, black. I've got blue, have we? Blue grapes? Not too sure, but grapes. Oh, white grapes? Yes. Grapes, I love them. Very good. When I was teaching, before I was teaching on here, I would have some grapes on the side as a snack. So between lessons, I would snack on grapes. They were very, very helpful, very, very good, very healthy and very helpful for getting through the day. Just a quick snack, some grapes here and there. They were rinsed and ready to eat, and I would eat like maybe a bunch or two bunches over the course of 2 days during in between my lessons. They were awesome. Love them so much. Grapes. Love them so much. Okay. Very good. Let's do that again. There we are. Beautiful. Ham, like slices of pork, certain parts of pork. Ham, very good. You could say wafer thin, really thin, almost like paper, wafer thin slices of something. And hard boiled eggs. So we had eggs, but these are hard boiled. So we have a saucepan on the oven, on the hob, heating away. And it's got water in it. The water is boiling, bubbling and boiling. We take an egg, clean it, and put the egg inside the water. And it boils the egg. It becomes hard-boiled egg. And it's very, very hard. You need to peel off the shell and eat it. Hard-boiled egg. And then we have herring, which is just fish. Herring, a certain kind of fish from, I guess it's either going to be from the sea, ocean, or what's called fresh water, like a river. See, the ocean and the sea has got salt in it, but rivers and lakes in the country, fresh water without salt. Fresh water without salt. Makes sense. How cool is that? So herring. And a hot dog. Long piece of meat that might go between a bun, a bread, a bun. Have it with, say, ketchup, onions, mustard, all sorts of stuff. Hot dog. Not very healthy at all, because the meat is, who knows where it's from. What's called mechanically separated. Mechanically separated. Machine mechanically separated. And it's combined together. So, ooh. No thank you. Processed. It's processed food. Ooh. No thank you. And ice cream. Ice cream is very nice. Universal. When I used to teach other students, I'd always ask them if they like ice cream. And 9 out of 10 times, 9 out of 10, the students loved ice cream. For whatever reason. Although bear in mind, they were really young. But most people like ice cream. Why not? I like it. I don't have it very often, but I like it. And jam. This is nice. So we have like a little jar. Open the jar, and there's jam inside. And we spread it over things like bread. You could even put jam in a cake. So for example, you have like apple tart. You could put jam inside or on top of the apple tart, or in between the layers of a cake. So you've got cake here, like a layer of cake, jam, then more cake on top. Cake, jam, cake. Makes sense. How cool is that? Very sweet. You'd make jam from most kinds of fruit. Apricot is a common one. Strawberry, that's a very big one. And juice. So orange juice, apple juice, grapefruit juice, tomato juice. The drink, beetroot juice. Take a fruit, more often a fruit. Vegetables, yeah, like carrot. Carrot, yeah, you make carrot. Garlic juice, no. Gherkin juice, no. Grape juice, yes, grape juice. Most fruits, you can squeeze them, press them, and turn it into a juice. So I like to have, I don't drink much juice actually. Too much sugar. There's too much sugar, so I don't. No thank you. No thank you. And then lamb, which is just basically a sheep. Sheep. A lamb. Different parts of the lamb. Shoulder, leg, and beyond. Okay? And lemon. Very much like an orange. It's a round, yellow fruit. It's a fruit because there's seeds inside. Very strong, like the grapefruit. It's very citric. Oh, very strong flavour, but very healthy. A lot of vitamin C. That's it. Vitamin C, very helpful, very good. So lemon, I like it a lot. So eggs, not really, rarely. Fruit, yes, ideally. Garlic, yes, as much as possible, definitely. Gherkin, not normally, but that's a good idea. I should eat more gherkin. Why not? Grapefruit, ooh, not really. Good idea, but the juice is going to be not healthy, and the fruit itself will be crazy. So I'm not so sure. So maybe grapes, yes, all the time. Grapes, yes. How cool is that? I really like grapes. Yeah. Ham, no thank you, not healthy. Hard-boiled eggs, not really. Herring, no thank you. No, I don't really eat herring. Hard-boiled eggs, no thank you. Hot dog, no way. I would not eat hot dog, not healthy at all. Oh, it is not healthy at all. Ice cream, no. Way too much fat, way too much sugar, not healthy, no thank you. Jam, no thank you. Far too sweet. Sugars and beyond, oh, no thank you. Very sparingly, very rarely would I have jam. Lamb, ideally not. Not really. Not really, I'd rather not. Lemon, yeah, I need to eat more lemon. It's a good idea. It's just a very good idea to have more lemon. Lemon juice? Yeah, maybe. Or even what you could do, take the lemon, cut it in half and squeeze the lemon over the food. Squeeze it and it drops. Squeeze the lemon. That works. That works. How cool is that? But let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.